A new buying season is right around the corner, and you want to prepare for this so that you can sell to home buyers. To capture the attention of these potential home buyers, consider these pro tips. Number 1, a fresh coat of paint. A fresh coat of paint has a 159% return on your investment, or ROI. Number 2, if you have hardwood floors, refinish them. That's going to give you a 348% ROI. Who doesn't like nice looking floors? Number 3, did you know that replacing your carpet has a 280% return on your investment? Number 4, boost your curb appeal. Get your house pressure washed if it's needed, and that'll have a 140% return on your investment. Number 5, add some landscaping or refresh your landscaping, and that'll give you another 251% return on your investment. Number 6, declutter and depersonalize. None of us want to actually take our pictures down or just take stuff out that we like, but at the same time, if you're overcluttered, overpersonalized, people have trouble envisioning themselves in the space. So go ahead and declutter and depersonalize some. Number 7, listen to feedback. As potential buyers are coming through the house, if they are saying the same thing over and over, address it. Don't get your pride in the way. By following these steps and working with a skilled realtor, you can increase your chances of selling your house even in a slowed market. These aren't just my opinions. These are a study from Curbio, and these are to benefit you.